Corey of Core Fitness, and he's going to tell you all about his business, and I'm going to ask him a couple questions about why he decided to open up this amazing business here in North Scottsdale.
Great, awesome. Well, thank you for having me.
Thank you for having me as well.
Yeah, awesome. So back in 2000, my wife and I moved from Omaha, and I knew I wanted to open a gym with a mind of community, like-minded individuals. And I'd worked at the big box gyms in the past, and I just felt like it was kind of more about sales and selling the supplement of the day. Yeah. And I really didn't want that here. I really wanted to just truly help people out with what's going on with their health, right, and not have to worry about the whole sales part of it. So that's why I opened it.
That's great.
Yeah.
And what would you say your customers love most about your business?
Well, I think they really love the community. So a lot of times you'll see, at the beginning of a small group session, they're getting together and they're actually having conversations. They go out for coffee, they go out for dinner, they get together. And so it's
very community feel too.
Yeah,
even when they leave after they've worked out.
For sure, absolutely. There's times that people actually stand with each other out in the parking lot and talk for like 30 minutes. I can't believe they're still there.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah, I'll be leaving to go to lunch, and they'll be still be out there talking.
Today,
yeah, right.
What are we gonna do? Yeah, that's great. What is something most people don't know about your business?
I think one thing that people don't know about my business is we're not the type of gym that we want. We want to work with people where they are. Like, for instance, if they have a shoulder injury or a knee injury or something like that, we can work around those things. We don't want them to feel like that they can't get a workout in just because their shoulder hurts.
Or,
yeah, exactly.
Something you lift up too heavy of a box or something, and so it's going to help you work through that.
Yeah. So the one thing I really want people to know is you don't have to come in here and just it doesn't have to be a soul crushing workout. Right. I want you to come in and feel like you're able to accomplish a workout and feel good about it, and then we'll work on a little bit harder and a little bit harder as it goes along, but it shouldn't feel like you have to go home and take a nap afterwards.
Right.
It should feel good.
Yeah. Is there anything exciting going on that your customers would talk about or want to know about that you need to tell them?
Definitely. So we do actually, for a lot of our customers that come in, is a 6-week challenge. So what that includes, 3 workouts a week, a customized meal plan, and also the accountability that goes along. And the accountability is really the glue that holds everything together.
Yeah.
And so typically we see 12 to 33 pound weight loss in those 6 weeks, which is pretty amazing. And it's really a lot of fun to see people getting on the scale each week and losing 3 to 4 pounds a week and being like, wow, I can't believe this is actually happening.
They're transforming, and then you get to see all that, the rewards, and I'm sure that makes you really happy.
So for sure.
Such a great helper.
Yeah, for sure. That's why I'm in the business, because I want to help people. And there's nothing worse than someone coming in and you want to help them, but you can't. And so, seeing people get such great results is just tremendous. Reward. Yeah.
So, what is your training philosophy?
Yeah, number one, training should not hurt. Okay, so what we do, for instance, going back to the shoulder or the knee or whatever, if you have an injury, we work around it. If you're doing something, if you're doing an exercise, if it doesn't feel good, if it hurts, we ask our clients to say, hey, this doesn't feel right. Can I get a modification? I mean, we can modify 12 ways from noon.
That's fabulous. Yeah.
There's plenty of exercises that we can do.
Something for everybody, so you don't have to do the same thing the other person's doing. If that's not working for you, we modify.
Exactly. Yeah, exactly.
Modify.
Yeah. So that's the biggest training philosophy I have. That's great. Now, the other one would be most people come in wanting weight loss, and so we do a lot of transformations. And so, it's not about working out harder; it's about working out smarter. And it's about the meal plan. It's about following the meal plan. The meal plan is very simple and it's easy to follow, and people feel full.
People love that.
They don't feel like they're starving or anything.
Oh, that's good.
So I don't feel like people have to come in here and just crush themselves to lose some weight. They can actually come in, feel good about the workout, and see the weight loss and
that sounds great.
Feel really good about it.
Well, how can the customers that aren't here yet, the new ones, find you?
Sure. Yeah, awesome. So the best way to find us, the best way to contact us is to call or text 480-620-3000, and that will actually get you directly to me, and I can.
That's an easy number.
Yeah, for sure.
480. I think I remember it. 320-3000.
Yep.
Wow, that's great. And also his website as well, which you'll get that information from the website.
Yes.
When you go on there.
Yeah.
That is what?
Yep. www.corefitnessaz.com.
Which is great. Core. I love that, because that's our whole bodies are really focused around the core, and how if we can just strengthen that core, it just helps transform our whole bodies.
Sure.
So anyway, thanks again for having me, Corey.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Please
Thank
look
you.
him up. And again, I'm Andrea from the North Scottsdale area community market leader. Have a great day.